Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Today, we are going to look at Fiber Ethernet cables and networks. Fiber Ethernet is a type of internet connectivity, usually implemented via fiber optic cables, that provides faster data transfer rates than traditional copper wire networks. Fiber optic cables are referred to as fiber, or, rarely, fiberglass, to distinguish them from traditional copper cables. Fiber optic connectivity is widespread in phone and internet services, and is common in networking and computer equipment. Fiber optic networks are divided into two categories, passive and active. Passive fiber optic cables transmit light pulses, while active cable systems transmit radio signals along the same cable. There are two types of active Ethernet networks, one is a star topology, and the other is a bus. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.